guys, I'm Misako Rocks. Today, let's draw Daniela from Katseye. Alright, so this is guideline and I want you to draw a little bit of hairline here. This is going to be guideline too. Then we are going to start drawing from her eyelid. So go slightly in like this and I'm going to draw a little like nice wide, little thicker on the edge here, okay? And eyelashes, here we go. And if you can, I want you to draw a little like a semi eyelid line like this. Good. And then let's draw her eye, okay? So her face is a little bit tilted and she got a cute smile here, okay? So let's draw her eye kind of around like this. Then we're gonna draw her bottom eyelid. And I want to go a little thicker too. That's the kind of a makeup, okay? She has, but this line's a little thinner, but the edge is a little thicker, okay? And don't forget adding eyelashes. Not too many, because once in a manga eyes, when you start adding too many eyelashes, it's gonna start getting more fantasy character, stuff like that. So we're gonna keep it more still realistic. And she's a Daniela. She's a real person. Yeah, yes, manga character. So we're gonna sort of keep eye on it, okay? And then let's just draw her this side. Okay, I think this is the same, okay, shape. And a little thicker. 1, 2, 3. Don't forget adding semi eyelid line a little. Good, right? And then let's draw her actual eye here. Okay. And bottom eyelid's a little, like I said, thicker. That on the edge, okay? And then in. That part is a little thinner, okay? And then let's draw 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, like this. And now let's add shiny bubble. And I want to add a little more like black line at the top. Black bubble in the middle. And then let's add a few more. Something like this. And then let's do the same thing other side, okay? Bubble. Little thicker black line here. Black bubble. A few more eyelashes. Okay, that's good. Oh, we need to add eyebrows. Whoops, I focus on her eyes too much, so I almost forgot. Okay, so her eyebrows got pretty strong, good shape. So let's go kind of similar shape, right? And it goes edge like this. And then you're going to do the same thing other side. Okay, here. I think this is good. Right. And the manga nose, as you know, it's so tiny here like that. Then let's give her cute smile. So first you're going to start adding a nice smile lip line here. But I want her tongue is a little out. The playful kind of a pose, okay? Go like this. I'm going to slide it up. And let's draw bottom eyelid line. Okay, good. So I'm looking at my character. Okay, so her face is a little tilted, right? Not like this, slightly like that, right? I think this should be her chin right there. And I'm going to switch to a little thicker brush pen. And then let's start drawing her face line inside of, okay, your guideline. So I'm looking, start from here, okay, here. It's a little short line like this. I'm going to tilt it here like that. And then go slightly in. Nice round cheek line. Okay. And this side too. Kind of the same way. I think this is good. Here. All right. And ear. All right, good. Okay, so now this is a guideline, but this one, that's gonna be a guideline for her hair, because she has, I want kind of like one of a signature hair I want to show you today, which is going to be sort of like a braided hair, right? kind of going up, 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 and then nice, gorgeous, beautiful curly hair. We're gonna draw that. So let's start drawing from right side. What I meant is like this. So from here, go like that. It's going to be like a 2 or 3 sections we're gonna draw. So first, you draw ta 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 ta, one more, so second part, and then third. Third is going to be really small one. This is what I meant. 1, 2, 3, okay? 1, 2, 3, okay? So same thing. Here, go up, and second part, and third part, kind of like this. And then go more up, 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 up. So we're gonna start drawing actually from this bottom part. Sorry, allergy. Wavy hair. So maybe from here, what I'm going to draw, it's gonna be like kind of like this. So the wavy line, I don't want to draw like same shape, not like this. Kind of go little big wave, and a small in the bottom, kind of like this. And then we're gonna do more from this part here, like that. Maybe make it a little shorter. Why not, right? And then more here, kind of like this. It's just kind of a play with it. Here, go like this. See, fluffy, cute, kind of a light same time, but rich, right? Now that's the top layer. Now we're gonna draw more like a second layer. And the third layer is going to be more close to her neckline area, okay? So from here, go like that. Okay, go like this. And now let's do more here. And more like that. Okay. Oh, and I guess let's add her neckline. So here, again, like I said, I want to show her, instead of just smiling, you know, face straight up, smiling, it's cute, but it's actually much more kawaii when face is a little tilted like this. Okay, so now we're gonna keep going more. Now, strong, more wavy line I want to add. Something like this. Hey. Whew, good. And I want you to do the same thing other side, okay? So let's start from adding wave line from here. Okay. Go like this. And now I'm gonna add more from the top. Here we go. I'm gonna make it a little shorter. And more on the top. Go like this. Oh, kawaii. Go like that. Okay, now more wavy hair. Doesn't need to be same size of a wavy line. You can just change all the time too. Some of them really short, some of them a little longer. Play with it, okay? Go whoop. Here we go. Go like this. Woo. Okay, and then I think let's keep it just simple, casual, kind of an off-shoulder, low-cut t-shirt line. I think this is great. Now what I want to do is, oh, you know what? Let's add more little hairline here. Can you erase cross lines, guideline we drew, and we're gonna start adding a color with a pencil. Okay. If you're enjoying this video, you love my new book, How to Draw Kawaii Manga Chibi. There are tons of chibi step-by-step tutorials and tips for making your manga stories. Scan the QR code to get your copy. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, so we're just gonna use pencil, and at first we are going to start adding hair color. Okay, so don't think so much. I want to start adding just top to just, yeah, bottom, side to side, add a color. Okay, and we're gonna add a little more like a darker pencil shade too. Okay, ready? Let's go. Okay, so now we're gonna start smudging a little bit. Just blend it really nice together. I'm just gonna use my index finger. If you have a smudge pen, you're lucky. I keep saying I'm gonna get it, and I keep forgetting. So I guess I'm just gonna use always my finger, index finger, or maybe pinky. Okay, so here we go. Let's go like that, a little bit more. Ta, 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 ta. Okay, so we smudged everything here, and now we're gonna start adding more. I want to clean up a little bit. Pencil line here. Let's start adding a more little shadow. What I meant is underneath eyebrow, just a little bit. Don't make it too thick. Smudge, smudge around eyelid, the edge here. Can you make it little bit of pencil line here? Just a makeup shadow, okay? And a smudge. Not too much, okay? This side a little bit of smudge too. Here like that. I think that one too much, so I'm gonna erase that. Again, when you wanna add makeup color on the manga characters, the key is you don't wanna do too much because already, you know, manga eyes are so expressive. So if you add too many colors, it's just too much. So just the edge, just the little touch is always good, okay? And eye color like this. Then what I want to show you is this lip color. Okay, so from my edge, I'm going to start adding a little color like that. Okay, let's smudge. And I'm going to get a little more thicker. Edge is like always dark, okay? Then from here, go like that. I'm gonna tilt it here. Da, 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 more nice. And I'm gonna use my pinky. Okay, I wanna add a little bit more color. Pinky, pinky. This side too. Kind of good, right? Then you use, if you have clean corner of eraser, use that and erase just middle part of a bottom lip color, which we add here. Add a little shiny spot. That's always good. Then let's add a little shadow underneath neck. Oh, and then ear too. A little bit of shadow ear here. And then her cheeks, you can add little lines like this to add like a cheek lines. Okay. Here we go. Oh, let's write down her name in Japanese. We say, yes, Daniela, it's Daniela. So I'm going to write down right here, okay? Pretty big. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is da, ni, e, la. Here we go. We did it. Good job. Yay, Daniela from Katseye. Here we go. So this is a sample I showed you in the beginning. This is the one we just drew together. Look at the gorgeous hair. I hope you enjoyed. Okay, and if you have more requests or just facial expressions you want to draw with me, write it down here, right? And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye-bye. One more thing. Take a look at my book collection, my graphic novel series, Bounce Back, and activity book series, How to Draw Kawaii Manga. Arigato!